Gross domestic product, or GDP, is the primary scoreboard used to track the health of a national economy. GDP stands for the total market value of all finished goods and services produced within a country during a specific time period. The United States currently produces over $27 trillion in value every year, making it the largest economy in the world. GDP looks at private consumption, business investment, government spending, and the difference between exports and imports. Economists often distinguish between nominal and real GDP to separate actual production growth from simple price increases caused by inflation. Growth rates show us if the economy is expanding or contracting, which influences interest rates and employment trends. While GDP is useful, remember that it only tracks economic activity, not things like happiness or environmental health. Understanding GDP helps you contextualize news about the economy. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more basics.